WhatsApp has recently announced updates for its application and will now enable you to create events exclusively within the Communities section of the app. It seems that currently few people are using this section, but WhatsApp is adding some more updates to attract more users. So, within the communities, remember that you can create multiple groups and at the same time send announcements to the entire community. So, in some way, you can organize very large groups of people to be here inside. And that's why this events feature can help communicate any special event. WhatsApp ensures that any individual in the community can create an event and other members can respond so that it is publicly known who will attend and who will not attend. In fact, attendees can also locate the event on the group's information page, and if you opt to participate in that event, you will also be sent a reminder as the date gets closer. This events option will initially be exclusive to communities, but WhatsApp states that in the future, it will also be accessible for other groups in the general population as well. Within the communities, there are also announcement groups where only administrators can send information, but the rest of the members could not respond to keep the screen clean enough and ensure that everyone is informed of the announcements. However, currently, other members will also have the ability to respond, except that the responses will still be grouped and hidden from view. If someone wants to view the responses sent to a particular announcement, they can access them, but the screen remains clean to avoid distractions and allow everyone to read these messages without any issues or interruptions. So these are updates that I find very beneficial for maintaining the organization of extremely large groups of individuals. This new feature was announced yesterday, so all people can already enjoy it within the communities section. Please inform me in the comments if you are utilizing any community or not.